A random engine misfire can be frustrating and alarming, especially if it happens while driving. With a bit of basic knowledge and some simple tools, you can diagnose and often fix a random misfire yourself, saving time and money. Worn or dirty spark plugs are one of the most common reasons for engine misfires. Spark plugs create the spark that ignites the fuel in your engine, and if they are not working properly, your engine may not run smoothly. To fix this, check the spark plugs and replace them if they look worn out or have build-up on them. It's a simple fix that can make a big difference in how your engine runs. Fuel injectors play a key role in delivering the right amount of fuel to your engine cylinders. If a fuel injector is clogged or not working properly, it can cause a misfire by disrupting the fuel flow. Common signs of a bad fuel injector include a rough idle, poor fuel economy, and the check engine light turning on. If you suspect a fuel injector problem, it's best to have a qualified mechanic test them and replace any that are clogged or faulty to keep your engine running smoothly. Vacuum leaks are a common cause of engine misfires because they allow extra air into the engine, which throws off the fuel mixture and makes it too lean. This imbalance can cause the engine to run rough or misfire. To check for a vacuum leak, inspect the vacuum hoses and gaskets for any cracks, holes, or loose connections. You can also listen for a hissing sound while the engine is running, which often indicates escaping air. Another method is to carefully spray carburetor cleaner around the suspected areas. If the engine idle changes, you have likely found the leak. The mass airflow sensor measures the amount of air entering your engine and sends that information to the ECU, which adjusts the fuel mixture accordingly. If the MAF sensor is dirty or malfunctioning, it can send incorrect readings, leading to misfires or poor engine performance. To fix this, use a mass airflow sensor cleaner, which offers several benefits for your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency. This specialized cleaner is designed to safely remove dirt, oil, and debris from the delicate wires inside the sensor without causing damage. Regularly cleaning the MAF sensor with the proper cleaner can extend its life and help keep your engine running smoothly. A bad ignition coil is another common cause of engine misfires. The ignition coil converts the battery's low voltage into the high voltage needed to power the spark plugs. If a coil is not working properly, the spark plug won't fire correctly, which can lead to a misfire in that cylinder. If you notice these problems, it's important to identify the faulty coil and replace it to restore proper engine performance. Regular maintenance and timely repairs not only improve your car's performance, but also help prevent more serious engine problems down the road.